Good morning. Good morning. All right. Well, I'm really impressed by the wonderful, bright minds that I see sitting here at the tables. I'm excited too, because in this room could be the person who changes our business in 5 years or 10 years, and that excites me.
We're trying to recruit, the next generation of our problem solvers, math, science, technology. That's where we have the most issues. The United States really needs new and innovative individuals working in the math and science fields as engineers and medicine in all the different areas.
Today we were teaching the kids the importance of narrowing down a career path. Math and science, we're firm believers in math and science is the way to go.
All jobs in the future, actually starting now, are going to require a certain amount of STEM education.
Well, I'm here today just to give these kids a better insight on what they can become and what type of careers that they can go into. So with a little push and a little better information to give them something to push for, something to go back and say, I can actually do that, to give them different face value, to say these jobs are really well, they open up a lot of opportunities if you just push forward or if you just try harder. So I'm here to just push something and give them a little encouraging words.
I am an example of this kind of program succeeding. So when I was in high school, PICO had a program that I participated in to get women and minorities into engineering. And I took advantage of that program, and it was because I had a strong math and science background. So I was excited about math and science, and it worked for me. That program then opened doors for me for education and this career. So I started with PICO, I hate to say now how long it's been, about 30 years ago. And that was in high school. So it really can open doors for folks. From St. Hubert's, I went to Boston University, and I started out in biomedical engineering. And from there, took a job with PICO. So if you do work hard and you stick with this stuff, opportunities do come along.
A little bit later, you'll get a chance to meet with some of the new engineers here at PICO. You'll get a chance to look at our transmission control room. Our transmission system connects the generators, all the different generators, to the electric system that ultimately feeds your home or your computer or whatever you use electricity for. You'll also get a chance to see some of our green technologies, such as our new green roof.
I really liked this experience here. I got to learn a lot about energy and energy-saving techniques and different ways I can save energy. I also got to visit the green roof, which was really interesting because my family is thinking of putting one on our roof, and I had an all-around really good time.
Over there, they were showing us the model of the roof and showing us the different layers that they actually use to have the green roof. And they use a lot of the recycled products, and also there was this thin layer so that it wouldn't leak and stuff.
I learned about the automatic phase detector or sensor. It's really cool, and they built it in only 9 months, which is really fast for something so complex.
We also saw some exhibits over here from different schools of projects that they built to help the environment also. There was this it looked kind of like a bike, but it's like a human kind of car system thing, which basically it's to I guess not waste money on gas and whatnot, but it's they both pedal forward, but it goes one direction, so it was kind of cool.
The control room was pretty cool. The technology is it was just crazy, seeing the little wires in the wall and how they keep track of things.
I thought that today was a good experience. I thought that the program was it's a good opportunity for students to learn about what it's like to be an engineer, also what kind of schools they can go into in order to become an engineer.
Electrical engineering sounded really interesting, and the salary is not that bad, so it sounded like fun.
I came here to talk to them and find out what they wanted us to say back to the governor and what they as well as what they thought of this event. And not surprisingly, they were all impressed with the green roof and, of course, the control room. Their minds were blown, and that's a good thing because they walked away motivated, and they've learned a lot about what the possibilities are.
I'm an electrical engineer. I work for Exelon Nuclear at one of their generating sites in New Jersey, Oyster Creek, and I'm assistant manager there.
I'm an engineer at Pico. I started working with Pico when I was 22. It's been 2 years since I've been working with this company. It's been great.
I'm an electrical engineer here at Pico, and I haven't been here since I was 22. I was a software engineer for another large company in the area. I work with Janine doing the same thing she does, and I work under Eric. And I have an electrical engineering degree from Temple with a twist. I have a little twist to it with computer engineering, and I have an MBA.
I started the company at 21. I've been with the company for 7 years, so you can do the math. I started off as a project engineer like Monica and Janine, and now I manage engineers. I've been a manager for about 2 years, so my group deals with construction standards, new equipment. When a piece of equipment fails, we analyze it and tell you what went wrong.
It was very nice. It was very welcoming. I like how we had a lot of educators to come out, a lot of professionals to show us their fields of careers, and kind of inspire us of making better decisions and career choices, like going to college.
I always like math, but this is just math at a whole new level.
I do want to encourage you to really think hard about careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. Hopefully, as you've seen, there's a variety of things you can do when you choose that education path. So I also, Pico as well as the other companies here are wishing you the best, and we're committed to support the STEM initiative and to support you. And what we're hoping is that you take advantage of everything that's out there through this initiative and other community services to help you, decide what you'll do and get on to that path.
We hope corporations, individuals, parents, graduates, recent college graduates, and those who are just starting off their college careers will join us in what is going to be necessary to make this happen. All of our kids statewide, minority, women, all the underrepresented, and everyone needs to meet a certain level of STEM education to make a viable workforce